Hello guys, Bengkoy is here, and today we're going to unbox our Samsung DeX Station. So let's open the box. But it's on the side, so let's open it. I can get this thing and then get this thing out. And then we will get this thing. We got this thing. Ooh, what is this? A quick start. We remove this from the plastic. Okay. So this is the Galaxy 8. Ooh, there's so many of them. This is the quick start guide. Look, it's a book. Yeah, it's a booklet. Also, what we got here is it can make this like that. Oh yeah, so we're done with this one. And now let's go for this thing, the Samsung thing. See how open it. Wow. Look here. Wow, look at that. Now wait, what does it say on here? Does it say like Motorola? Oh yeah, we're done with this. And now we're going to show this one. Okay, so let's get this thing out. Nice and smooth. Open this. And then do this. Wow. It also has a charger down here. Right? And also on the back, you can open it. And then there is a charger inside it. Look. See that? A charger inside it. It makes it being plugged. And then this is the Wi-Fi connector, another one, and then this is the Ethernet. And then there is this thing is the HDMI. Yeah, and then the last one is the charger. Right? It can charge anything inside it. I can put the phone in here. Look. I can play YouTube. Oh yeah, there's still more stuff like this one. Oh wait, let me turn this volume on. We can connect this one to a monitor. But you can still get out, right? And then also it also has Goat Simulator. And then okay, here, and then let's put it back. There's a hidden charger in the Samsung. Look, there's a hidden one. Okay, so let's put this back, and then let's put this here, like that, and then let's put the Samsung thing back inside, right, and here, let's put this inside. Let's hold it, and then let me do this, and then put this right here. Quick start guide. Oh yeah. Let's put this back here, and then put this in here in the center, and then it's very good. And then now the last one. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you have I hope you subscribe to this channel, and then it will count the subscribers. Okay. Bye bye.